In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Notion database ID. First, open Notion in your web browser and sign into your account if you're not already signed in. We're using the browser version because the database ID is easiest to find in the page URL. Once Notion is open, go to the database page you want to use. This is important because every Notion database has its own unique ID, so you need to open the exact database you want to connect to or reference. When the database page finishes loading, move your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where the page URL appears. In the URL, look for the section at the end that contains the database identifier. In this case, you'll see a value after the equals sign. That number is the database ID you need. If you need to use that ID somewhere else, simply highlight it in the URL, then copy it. Make sure you copy only the ID and not any extra characters before or after it. A common beginner mistake here is opening a regular Notion page instead of the database itself. If you don't see the expected ID in the URL, double-check that you clicked into the actual database page, not just a parent page or a linked view inside another page. Another thing to watch for is copying the entire URL when only the database ID is needed. Some tools accept the full URL, but others require just the ID, so it's a good idea to confirm which format you need. That's it. You have successfully completed the process. Your setup should now be working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.